Hello everyone, this video is about the application of integration. In this video we will learn how to find the area bounded by curve and lines and bounded by two curves. So let's begin. Find the area bounded by x square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4ax. These are the two parabola. The given curves are x square is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4ax. Now suppose this is the question 1 and this is question 2. Now solving these two equation 1 and 2, we get the point of intersection of these two curves. And the point of intersection is 4a, 4a. Which is shown in this graph. Now take the 2 points C and D on this parabola. So actually we have the required area is ACODA, and which is equal to the area ABODA minus area ABOCA. After subtracting the area below this one parabola, x square is equal to 4ay, we get the required area. And the area below this parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. So we write y is equal to 2 root ax, and from the second parabola, y is equal to x square upon 4ay. So this put the value of y from these two parabola. So we have a is equal to the integration from 0 to 4a 2 root a root x dx minus integration from 0 to 4a x square upon 4a dx. Which is equal to, take 2 root a outside, so after integration the root x we have the x power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 limit from 0 to 4a and 1 by 4a. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 and the limit is from 0 to 4a. Now putting the upper limit and the lower limit, we have the a is equal to 4 root a by 3, 4a power 3 by 2 minus 4a cube by 12a. After simplify, we have 32a square by 3 minus 16a square by 3. So finally we have 16a square by 3 square units. In the second example, find the area bounded by the curve x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 and the x square plus y square is equal to 1. The both given curve are the equation of the circles, and the center of the first circle is 1 0 and the second center of the second circle is 0 0. The equation of curve are given: the x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1, and x square plus y square is equal to 1. So this take equation 1 and 2, whose centers are 1 0 and the 0 0. The graph of these two circles shown in this figure. Now solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the point of intersection A and B. Therefore, the point of intersection A is 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. Therefore, the required area is equal to the area AC1BC2A. Since this area is symmetry about the x-axis, so we write here 2 times the area AC1C2A. And this area is also symmetry about the line AB, so we write 2 times area ADC2A. So finally we have the 4 times area ADC2A. We have to find the red-shaded area, and this is under the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. Therefore, from this equation we write the value of y is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 whole square over square root. Therefore, we write 4 times 0 to 1 by 2 root 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx. Now integrating, after we have the a is equal to 4 times x minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 limit 0 to 1 by 2. So therefore a is equal to, putting the upper limit 1 by 2, we have the 4 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 minus 1. Now putting the lower limit, x is equal to 0. So we have minus 0 minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus 0 minus 1 is whole square plus 1 by 2 sin inverse 0 minus 1. So after simplify this expression, we have the 4 times within bracket minus root 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 pi by 6, since sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6, and the minus 1 by 2, sin inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 2, so we minus minus plus. Therefore a is equal to 4 times minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12 plus pi by 4. If further simplify, we have the minus root 3 by 2 minus pi by 3 plus pi. So finally we have the 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2 square units. So this is the final answer. In third example, find the area of the region y square is less equal 6x and the x square plus y square is less equal 16a square using method of integration. This question asked in the 2013. So the corresponding curve of this given region are x square plus y square is equal to 16a square, which is a circle, and center of this circle is 0, 0 and the radius of this circle is 4a, and the second curve is the y square is equal to 6ax, which is a parabola. After solving the equation 1 and 2, we can find the point of intersection, and the one point is 2a 2 root 3a and the point C is 2a minus 2 root 3a. Therefore, we have to find the area of this studied region, and this area, and this is the required area, which is equal to the area ABOCA. Since studied region is symmetrical about the x-axis, therefore we can write 2 times the area ABOA. Therefore, we have the 2 times integration from 0 to 2a, this area under the parabola. So we write y from this parabola, and from the point 2a to 4a, this area is under the circle. So this we take the y from the circle. Therefore, we have the 2 times from 0 to 2a root 6 ax dx plus from 2a to 4a square root 16a square minus x square dx. So after integration, we have the a is equal to 2 root 6a within bracket x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 from 0 to 2a plus 2 times x by 2 root 16a square minus x square plus 16a square by 2 sine inverse x upon 4a, and the limit from 2a to 4a. So after putting this upper limit and the lower limit, we have this expression, and simplify, we get 4 root 6a by 3 into 2a power 3 by 2. This one is 0, and this square root is 0. So we have to multiply by 8a square sine inverse. Sine inverse 4a upon 4a is 1. Minus 2 times 2a upon 2, the 16a square minus 4a square is 12a square, minus 2 into 8a square sine inverse 1 upon 2. Now putting the value of sine inverse 1 and the sine inverse 1 by 2, we have a is equal to 8 root 12 a square by 3 plus 16a square pi by 2 minus 2a square root 12 minus 16a square pi by 6. After simplifying, we get 16 root 3a square by 3 plus 8a square pi minus 4a square root 3 minus 8a square pi by 3. Now clubbing these two terms and these two terms, we have 4 root 3a square by 3 and plus 16a square pi upon 3 square units. So this is the final area. In this example, the area bounded by y-axis, y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x when x lies between 0 to pi by 2. The equation of curve R y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x. Now we have to try to draw the rough figure of these two curves. First we draw the sine function. The highest value of this is at pi by 2 and the sine 0 at the pi, and the lowest value at 3 pi by 2, it's again 0 at 2 pi. So this is the graph of this sine x. The cos 0 is 1, so it is started from the 1, and the cos pi by 2 is 0, and the cos pi is minus 1, and cos again 3 pi by 2 is 0. So this red line is the graph of this cos function, cos x, and we have to find the green shaded area, which is bounded by y-axis, sin x and cos x. And the point of intersection of these two curves is pi by 4 and 1 upon root 2. So first we find the point of intersection of these two curves, sin x and the cos x, equating y is equal to sin x. So sin x is equal to cos x, solving we get the tan x is equal to 1, so x is equal to pi by 4. Or putting the x is equal to pi by 4 in any curve, so y is equal to cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So the point of intersection is pi by 4 and 1 upon root 2. So this is the actual graph of the given curves, and this shaded region is the required area we have to find out. Therefore the required area is equal to 0 to pi by 4 cos x, and the area below the sine curve we don't need, so we subtract this area from 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx. Since the limit from 0 to pi by 4 in both integrations, so we can write in the single integration from 0 to pi by 4 cos x minus sin x dx. Now after integrating we get a is equal to sin x from 0 to pi by 4 minus, and the minus is plus, so the plus cos x from 0 to pi by 4. Now putting the upper value and the lower value, we have the sin pi by 4 minus sin 0 plus cos pi by 4 minus cos 0. Since sin pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, sin 0 is 0, and plus cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 is 1. So 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 is 2 upon root 2 minus 1. So this can further simplify, and the final we get root 2 minus 1 square unit. So this is the required area. In this example, find the area enclosed between the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to mx. So the given curve or y square is equal to 4x is the equation of parabola, the y is equal to mx, the equation of line passing through the origin. So after solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the point of intersection. So putting the value of y is equal to mx in the parabola, y square is equal to 4x, so mx whole square is equal to 4ax. So this can be written as m square x square is equal to 4ax. Now simplify this one, we write here m square x square minus 4ax is equal to 0. Taking common x, m square x minus 4 is equal to 0. So simplify, we get x equal to 0 or x is equal to 4a upon m square. Now putting the value of x in y is equal to mx. So we get the value of y. Therefore the y is equal to 4a upon m. So this is the point of intersection. So point of intersection A is 4a upon m square, 4a upon m. So the required area is A is equal to 0 to 4a upon m square, the area under the parabola. So we take the y from the parabola dx, and we don't need the area below this line, so we subtract. So write here 0 to 4a upon m square y from this line dx. Now putting the value of y from the parabola and the line, we have this expression. So after integration we get 2 root a x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 from 0 to 4a upon m square minus mx square by 2 from 0 to 4a upon m square Now putting this upper limit and the lower limit, we have this expression, and just simplify, we get the 4 root a upon 3 into 4a upon m square root 4a upon m square minus m by 2 16a square upon m square in m power 4. Therefore 32a square upon 3m square m cube, actually this is m cube, minus 8a square upon m cube. So further simplify, we get the 8a square upon 3m cube square unit. So this is the final area.